I can drive a tractor, y'all. I don't know what the big fuss was about. I can drive a bobcat, too. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Not from the ridge.
We're not at the ridge.
No. Haha.
Just take a minute. Do you recognize any of it? No? You don't? Oh my gosh. Well, you'll recognize this handsome fella.
Hey guys, how are you?
We did it, guys. We said we're done with our own projects. I'm tired of working on it. We're coming to come over here and, well, there's this big wooden thing.
The dance floor.
And, well, it needs to be finished. Eric already started because we were running a little late as usual. And, you know, nobody here's shocked that we're running late.
They're right on time.
We're gonna go ahead and start working on getting this subfloor down. So by the end of the day, when we're done working, this should be all subfloored.
Yeah.
There's
whole stack there.
there's one or two boards there. We should be good. So
Eric's planned out the flow of how everything's gonna go. It's gonna be efficient. We'll get it in a groove, and man, we're just gonna knock this out.
That's right. Let us know in the comments. This is 26 by 36, and we're using 6-inch 1-bys. So let us know in the comments if you think we can get it done today.
Yeah. You'll wait and see.
yeah. So all right, guys,
crossed.
let's go. Let's get at it. I think that's pretty good progress so far. So we got that far. It's almost halfway.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, wait. Hi, handsome baby. I was going to do like a whole, who's this handsome man? Oh, it's Jason.
Oh, that's why she cut my head off, y'all.
I was trying to do some creative filming and I'm too tired apparently. I feel.
Nah, the sun's going down. We ain't got time for creativeness.
Yeah, and most of the time we just got it, guys. So don't have a lot of talky in between. But baby, take the camera, show them what all y'all got done.
We didn't do anything. We've been hanging out all day, drinking cold snacks. The elves come out of the woods and they put all this, like, over half the flooring down for us.
That movie magic.
Right. It was YouTube magic, y'all. If you just think about it hard enough and all of a sudden, bam! Over halfway, guys. And yeah, every one of us, we're feeling it. In every spot you can feel, we feel it. But it was super awesome. You know, we even took a break midway through and got something to eat. And yeah, so we're gonna make sure what needs to be cleaned up's cleaned up and then have some hangout fellowship time. But
yeah,
then we've got something else.
We got
tell
a
them
surprise.
what we're doing?
Not yet. They're gonna have to stick around just a little bit longer because, you know, I can't blow the surprise right out of the gate. We have a surprise.
Well, if you want to see what else is going to come from here to our homestead, don't click off. Don't go away. Just stick around. It's coming. Wait a minute.
How many?
27. That'll give you 37.
Hey, what is this? What are you doing?
27. We're getting chicks. We're getting our meaty birds and a few more ice.
Do you want to put all the rest of them in there? Out of the
They're all
box?
together.
Probably wouldn't hurt for
Okay.
transport.
Yes.
They were getting ready to do their thing and go to bed anyway.
Yeah.
So this is a good time for them.
I love Chick Day. They came early, didn't
They
they?
came very fast. I
Yeah.
was very, very happy.
Yeah. They're so cute. Now the darker ones, y'all, these are my Isis. They're the best bird if you want a lot of eggs. It's what I raised up north and it's what I will continue to raise down south. All right, baby, let's get these puppies home.
All right. Guess we're loading them up, folks.
So, Tilty K,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you think of your new half platform?
I am loving it. I'm telling you.
It's beautiful.
I've already envisioned hot cakes in our kitchen,
Oh.
coffee in the espresso machine in the dining room,
Oh.
A long way away.
and Jason's actually sitting where my couch is going to be.
It's a pretty comfy couch, guys. I mean, woo-wee.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll tell you how tired we were, y'all, or are. See how these boards here still need cut off? And they're just kind of like a springboard? Eric, how far were you going to walk that time?
Oh, I was going to step right out on it. I was going to do a whole Captain Jack off the plank. Mm-hmm. And then I said, wait a minute, I'm not supposed to step on that.
No.
Because that board is not rated for my weight class at all.
And I was like, don't make me nurse while I'm here. Yeah, no, we all know that that's a no-no. So, but thank you guys for having us. We really appreciate you guys.
That's right.
In
We're
so
gonna
many ways.
We're gonna steal them now, and we're gonna go and we're gonna sit down and enjoy ourselves and not do any work.
Yeah.
And you believe that? White Rock Homestead and Tilted K Homestead are gonna sit down
Yeah.
and not work.
And if I remember right,
I need to Google that. I don't know what that means.
I think it's a swear word.
I'm pretty sure I'm not driving, and I'm pretty sure that box of wine is
Yes.
still sitting in there.
Ooh, box of
So
wine.
Missy and I,
There's wine in
yeah,
our future.
we might get a little giggly, y'all. But it's a Saturday night, so we're just gonna enjoy time with family.
That's right.
Time with family.
That's right.
So we love you guys. Thanks for letting us be a part of your project.
Oh, please.
And
Oh,
I'm sure
so
we're going to be
happy
back for many other parts of it too.
Oh, yeah.
The walls.
And they're going to be back for the best part,
The food?
which is hanging out in our new
Hanging
house.
You see where my brain went.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me and my handsome man as we visited. That's buttocks. All right, y'all. Well, you have a wonderful weekend. See you later.
Bye, guys.
It's one big old rock. All right, guys, so projects have turned into projects, which beautiful day like today, I need to be outside and getting things done. And we've had hoses stretched all over this property since we moved here. So I'm trying to clean up and organize them, get them to where it's not such a mess, especially down by the animals, because we get walking around down there and what a death trap. So I don't know if I showed you, but your typical frost-free hydrant. This stuff, I'm gonna have to wait for some rains or something and really start trying to pack it in. But they got water back to the camper, so that'll be big for them. Being able to clean up and do that kind of stuff. And then not have to drag all their stuff down to the tiny house for showers and whatnot. So, I don't know what's next, but I wanted to bring in, show you that, and then I've got the side-by-side just full of stuff that I've cleaned up from all over the property, working on projects, that kind of stuff. So been trying to work the dirt a little bit. I've got a little bit more that I could probably do with a tractor, but then I seen these jugs and remembered that when I was digging over here and went to fill it back in, that I need to do a diesel run. So I'm probably gonna go down. It's feeling about lunchtime, so I think I'm gonna go over there, get a little bit of lunch, and see how Mama's coming along and making a movie, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, we'll see you. I got us water all hooked back so we can be feeding the animals, but I gotta get this back together, guys. Time to seal her back up. So, all right, let me round up stuff and I'll bring you back when I start work. Okay, guys, I got all the tools and supplies I need. Yeah, right. We might be lucky enough. Aimed right at my face. Let's not hold it where we could. Isn't it fun? Like I said, we laid these out originally, and then when the whole well thing happened, things went haywire. So I've got one more internal. Must be this one. Now here's the real fun part. I'm gonna rehang this door. Not without a screw gun. Couple minor adjustments. I got her going again. Like it never happened. So I do have little 1x pieces that I made as door stops in there and to stop the wind draft. But I gotta run down and get the other nail gun for that. But I won't bore you through that process because that's gonna be another jigsaw. But that's back together, guys. That makes me a whole lot happier and a lot more secure. The well, we luckily, after the last 2 nights of getting down to freezing temps and frost, they oh, there's the extension cord I could have used. But yeah, we didn't freeze. Nothing in here was bad. Like I said, I still got a little bit more to finish putting in over by the well casing, filling dirt in. I'm gonna go find that other little nail gun and finish this up, and then we'll jump on to whatever the next project is. I don't know. It's a beautiful day now. I mean, it was freezing this morning, but now it's gorgeous. So, well house back to looking fancy, y'all.
See, I can drive a tractor, y'all. I don't know what the big fuss was about. I can drive a bobcat, too. How you doing, my love?
Good. Just trying to get her set up.